Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the vignette tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. Then we need to select an image, so we're going to click on the plus icon. Here we need to select our preferred image, like so. And then at the bottom of the screen, we need to click on Tools, scroll down and select Vignette. Here in the middle of the picture, you can see a dot, like so. This will indicate the middle of the vignette, which you can change two things about it. The outer circle and the inner circle's brightness, like so. Here you have both of the options. I'm going to start with the outer brightness. Here you can adjust it to be brighter or darker, like so. And with the inner brightness, you can change the brightness of the inner circle, like so. If we want to compare it to the original photo, we need to click on the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we either can dismiss the image with the X icon over here, or we can apply those changes with the check mark. I'm going to apply them, of course. After that, if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export. This will show us four options. Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform. Save, which will save our image. Export, which will also save our image, but it will save it as what it will set it in the settings menu. And Export as will save our image to our preferred folder. We're going to click on Save, and we can view our image with View. I'm going to select Gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.